Marty and Venus, A Tale of Two Worlds. Chapter 1, Different Worlds. Marty the Martian dog was always digging. He'd find bones, rocks, and sometimes even strange-looking worms. On the other hand, Venus the cat loved nothing more than to lie in the sun and groom her beautiful fur. One day, Marty excitedly showed Venus a bone he had found, but Venus just yawned and said, "I prefer a sunny spot over a bone any day." Marty was puzzled. "Why don't you like digging? It's so much fun." Venus replied, "Why don't you like sunbathing? It's so relaxing." They both realized they didn't quite understand each other's joys. Chapter 2, Seeking Wisdom. Marty had an idea. "Let's go see Albert Einstein. He's the wisest in the animal kingdom." Venus agreed, and off they went. On their journey, they came across a river. Marty immediately jumped in, thinking it was mud, while Venus waited on the bank, afraid of getting wet. "Come on in! The mud's fine!" shouted Marty. "It's not mud, it's water!" laughed Venus. Chapter 3, Funny Misunderstandings. As they continued, they saw a tree with a shiny object. Marty thought it was a toy and started barking at it. Venus, realizing it was just a mirror, giggled and said, "It's just your reflection, silly." Then they reached a field full of butterflies. Venus tried to chase them, thinking they were small birds. Marty, thinking they were flying bones, joined in, causing a hilarious scene. Chapter 4, Albert's Wisdom. Finally, they reached Albert Einstein's tree. Albert, with his big glasses, looked down and said, "Ah, Marty and Venus! What brings you here?" The two friends explained their dilemma. Albert nodded and said, "Just like the book says, men are from Mars, women are from Venus. It means everyone is different, and that's okay." Marty and Venus looked at each other, confused. Albert laughed. "It means embrace your differences, learn from each other. Marty, try sunbathing with Venus. Venus, try digging with Marty. Celebrate what makes each of you unique." Chapter 5, Embracing Differences. The next day, Marty lay down beside Venus, enjoying the sun's warmth. "This isn't so bad," he said. Venus, with dirt on her paws, smiled. "And digging can be fun too." They both laughed, realizing that while they may be from different worlds, their friendship was universal. Chapter 6, A New Understanding. As days passed, Marty and Venus tried more of each other's activities. They had fun, laughed at their mistakes, and grew closer. One day, while they were both lying in the sun after a fun digging session, Marty said, "I'm glad we're different. It makes our adventures together more exciting." Venus purred in agreement, "And I'm glad we have each other to share them with."